Alright guys, so when I installed the strip light, I ended up installing it in the front. Right there. Ended up tucking it in right here. Ran the wires underneath here. And the fuse is used F79. So when you turn on the vehicle, it'll turn on the light. When you turn off the vehicle, it'll turn off. You could also run it through the firewall right underneath there. Access the other fuse box underneath the dashboard. And there's on the right side, driver's side. Also, there's another access port in here and down there where you can connect to your headlights. So when you turn on your headlights or your side markers, it turns on with it. The only reason I didn't go this route because I'm gonna end up taking it off here in springtime. But you would also need a add a fuse, so you connect your power, the red wire from your silver holder LED strip, connect it there, and then your negative, you just connect right here in this terminal right here. Hope this helps.